This is the lower piston, 3-ring piston, low dome crossflow piston, what they're called. All this scoring here, I can fit my fingernail in that one, just a little. The rings are frozen on this end. This is what the good piston rings look like. No scoring, no obvious signs of scoring on it. Pretty much clean dome, a little bit of muck there, but it has a little scoring on this side. And the cylinder has just a little to match with it. Focus, damn camera. Anyway, you can see it there. That's the middle piston, the one that had good compression, because of these rings are like this, like they should be. And this one is just frozen to the sidewall, damn near flush. And springs on this side, but it's seized in there. I think on the books and that website Max Rules, you shouldn't reuse 3-ring pistons anyways. And in the other earlier video, this cylinder and this cylinder, this one and this one, need rebored just a little bit, 0.015 I'd imagine. I'll take it to a shop. This one's gonna get bored anyways. It just has a little scoring in it, but I'm gonna make all 3 match. So yeah, I'm gonna take apart the crankshaft assembly now. Bad piston, good piston, bad piston. Bad, good, bad. Had 90 psi on my compression test here. I think I had 150 on this middle cylinder. I think on this cylinder here I had 120. Somewhere around there. So this was still 30 away from the good. 30 psi, which is unacceptable. And this one was just horrendous. It was way low. So lower main bearing is good. My reed valves and blocks and stops look excellent. We'll see the journals when I take these off. The upper bearing looks fine too, spins freely, not as freely as the rear, but still freely. Alright, let's take it apart.